Thank you guys for the bless yous. Hey, You're all moved in, Ben? How is it? How's it feel? Part of the Friday stuff. Oh, goodness gracious. Thank you, Schwimpel. Thank you, Vegeta. Thank you guys for the bless yous. Feels not really yet. Super excited to explore. Super happy. Just adjusting. Yeah, no, it'll be fun getting to know a new place all over again. You haven't, like, lived in this area exactly, right, Ben? Or have you? Oh, my nose is, like, super tickly right now. Alright, Erica. Yeah, I really need to hear this tea. Did not land the jump. Oh, yes, perfect, awesome, thank you.